Loving Day, celebrated June 12, commemorates the 1967 decision by the Supreme Court to strike down laws against interracial marriages and relationships. The case takes its name from Mildred Loving, 1939 to 2008, a woman with African and Native American ancestry, who was arrested with her white partner in 1958 for being married. Their marriage violated Virginia's Racial Integrity Act of 1924, which criminalized marriage between a white person and a colored person. The act classified all non-white people as colored, including Native Americans. Initially, the Lovings aimed to evade Virginia's law by traveling to Washington, D.C. for their marriage. But shortly after their return to Virginia, their home was raided at night and they were arrested by the county sheriff, who had received an anonymous tip about them. They were charged with cohabiting as man and wife, against the peace and dignity of the Commonwealth. The couple was sentenced to 1 year in prison, but they were given the option to leave Virginia and not return for at least 25 years. After moving to Washington, D.C., they started building a case against the unjust law. Finally, in 1967, the case Loving v. Virginia struck down laws against interracial marriages around the country. At the time, 16 states still enforced these laws. Even with this decision by the Supreme Court, laws still remained on the books of several states, even if they were rendered unenforceable. Animosity towards interracial relationships did not suddenly disappear after the court's decision. According to opinion polls done by Pew Research, by 1986 only about 1/3 of Americans viewed interracial marriage as acceptable. In 1991, still less than half approved. Alabama became the last state to adapt its laws against interracial relationships in 2000, when 60% of voters endorsed a ballot initiative to remove anti-miscegenation language from the Constitution.